Okay then, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, my name is Muhammad Salam Aditya and I'm from University of Muhammadiyah Malang and my student number is 117. So, here I will explain to you about expressing invitation. So, let's go to the slide, PowerPoint. Okay, this chapter is cover of expressing invitation, accepting invitation, and of course, declining invitation. Okay, let's go to the next slide. So what is expressing invitation? Expressing invitation is an expression that is disclosed when there is someone who wants to ask other person to come to a place, or when there is someone who asks to other to do something for him or her. Jadi expressing invitation ini intinya ungkapan untuk menyatakan ajakan kepada orang lain. Contoh, kalian kan mungkin banyak yang suka main game ya, contohnya kalian ngajak teman kalian mabar FF, mabar ML, mabar PUBG, itu termasuk invitation ya guys ya. Oke, jadi intinya untuk mengajak orang lain untuk pergi ke suatu tempat atau mengajak orang lain melakukan hal bersama-sama. Oke, sudah dimengerti? Let's go to the next slide. Oke, dalam Islam fulfilling invitation is sunnah. Jadi memenuhi ajakan orang lain itu sunnah hukumnya dalam Islam. Saya bacakan ini hadisnya. When any of you is invited to a meal, he should accept the invitation. If he observing saum or fasting, he should supplicate for the betterment of the host, and if he not fasting, he should eat. Jadi jika kalian diundang oleh seseorang ke acaranya, dan itu kalian sedang melaksanakan ibadah puasa sunnah, maka lebih baik kalian membatalkannya untuk menghargai tuan rumahnya, karena menghargai itu lebih besar pahalanya. Sepertinya begitu. Hadis riwayat Sahih Muslim. Okay, let's go to the next slide. So, in this part, I want you to watch a video how to make some kind of conversation with containing of expressing invitation. So let's go to the video.
Hey.
Hi.
Don't forget to repeat after us. Let's start. Would you like to come and watch a game of basketball with me tomorrow? Would you like to come and watch a game of basketball with me tomorrow?
Thank you, I'd love to. Thank you, I'd love to. What time does the game start? What time does the game start?
The game is going to start at 5 p.m. The game is going to start at 5 p.m.
I will come and pick you up around 3:30. Is that okay with you? I will come and pick you up around 3:30. Is that okay with you?
That's fine. I hope it will be a fun game to watch. That's fine. I hope it will be a fun game to watch.
We're going to Scorpions concert tomorrow. We're going to Scorpions concert tomorrow. Do you fancy coming along? Do you fancy coming along?
Thank you for your kind invitation. Thank you for your kind invitation. I wish I could, but I'm afraid I have an important exam that day, but thank you very much. I wish I could, but I'm afraid I have an important exam that day, but thank you very much.
It's okay. But I want you to be with us at the Muse concert. It's okay. But I want you to be with us at the Muse concert.
I'd be very happy, if you could attend my sister's wedding next Sunday. I'd be very happy if you could attend my sister's wedding next Sunday.
That's very kind of you to invite me, thank you. That's very kind of you to invite me, thank you. I'd be delighted to attend your sister's wedding. I'd be delighted to attend your sister's wedding. Jim and I are going to go out for dinner on Friday. Jim and I are going to go out for dinner on Friday. I'd like you to have dinner with us. I'd like you to have dinner with us. How about joining us? How about joining us?
I really don't think I can, sorry. I really don't think I can, sorry. I have an important meeting Friday evening. I have an important meeting Friday evening. But next Friday, we can go to that new Chinese restaurant. What do you think about that? But next Friday, we can go to that new Chinese restaurant. What do you think about that?
That's a great idea. That's a great idea.
I'm having a party on Saturday night, and was wondering if you would be available. I'm having a party on Saturday night, and was wondering if you would be available.
I am free that night, I would love to come to your party. I am free that night, I would love to come to your party.
Great. I'll text you the party location. See you at the party. Great. I'll text you the party location. See you at the party.
Okay then, after watching the video, I hope all of you will got a reference to make some kind of dialogue containing expressing invitation, and of course about the response. It's like, oh, if you are agree, so you can accept, or if you are disagree, you can decline. Okay, let's go to the kinds of expressing invitation. So expressing invitation is divided into two forms. There are formal and informal. So I will read the formal first. The example of the formal one is, would you like to? I'd very much like you to. We should be pleased or delighted if you could. Would you care to? You will bla bla bla, won't you? Jadi di sini ini contoh yang formal. Formal biasanya ditunjukkan kepada guru atau kepada orang yang lebih tua dari kalian, karena formal itu kesannya lebih ke arah lebih sopan, ya. Jadi ditujukan kepada orang yang lebih tua biasanya. Yang kedua ada informal, so I will read the example of the informal one. Why don't you come to? Like to come to? Shall we come to? You must come to. How about tomorrow morning? Let's meet at bla 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 o'clock. Nah, untuk yang informal ini biasanya kalian ditujukan kepada orang yang seumuran, contohnya seperti teman atau orang yang lebih muda dari kalian, contohnya seperti adik kelas kalian atau ya adik saudara-saudara kalian yang lebih muda dari kalian gitu. Oke, sudah dipahami, langsung saja. Mungkin saya akan memberikan contoh dengan beberapa kalimat ini. Contoh dari would you like to. Would you like to come to my birthday party at Matsa Surba? Just like that, okay? Or I will give the example of the informal one. It's like, you must come to my party. It's my sweet 17. Artinya kamu harus datang deh ke ulang tahunku, karena ini hari ulang tahunku yang ke-17, dan hari ulang tahun ke-17 kan biasanya sangat spesial. Jadi dia mengharuskan temannya untuk datang. Begitu. Lanjut. Oke, accepting invitation. Di accepting invitation ini bagaimana cara kalian untuk menerima ajakan dari teman kalian atau siapapun yang mengundang kalian. Contohnya, that's very kind of you, we'd very much like to. What a delightful idea. With the greatest pleasure, thank you very much for inviting me. Jadi di sini beberapa contoh yang bisa kalian gunakan untuk menyatakan kesetujuan kalian atas undangan dari orang lain. Contohnya nomor pertama, that's very kind of you, kamu baik banget deh, gitu. Terus what a delightful, ada ide yang sangat bagus, gitu. Contohnya, with the greatest pleasure, dengan sangat terhormat. Contohnya gitu. Oke, langsung kita ke slide berikutnya ya guys ya. Oke, declining invitation. Di declining invitation adalah bagaimana cara kalian untuk menolak ajakan itu. Tapi kalau menolak jangan langsung kasar ya, kayak enggak, aku nggak mau gitu. Bukan itu caranya. Ini mungkin sedikit lebih halus ya guys ya. Oke, let's go to the slide. Okay, this is some kind of declining an invitation. I'm very sorry, I don't think I can. Saya sangat minta maaf. Saya rasa saya tidak bisa. I'd like to, but bla bla bla. Biasanya kalau ada bla 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 di belakang itu ada alasannya. Nanti saya jelaskan. I'm afraid I've already promised. Thank you for asking me, but unfortunately I can't. Nah, saya kasih contoh yang I'd like to, but. Nah, ini misalnya kamu diundang untuk melaksanakan reunian. Misalnya, Johnny, would you like to come to the reunion at 7 o'clock? Nah, kalian menolak nih. I'd like to, but I have to go to the doctor at that time because I have headache. Saya ingin pergi, tapi mohon maaf, saya harus pergi ke dokter pada saat itu, pada jam tersebut, karena saya sedang sakit kepala. Gitu. Yang kedua, I'm afraid I've already promised. Ini artinya saya takut saya sudah ada janji. Jadi intinya itu mengungkapkan kalau dia sudah punya janji. Begitu teman-teman. Oke, let's go to the next slide. Oke, di sini ada beberapa dialog yang akan kita bedah satu-satu ya guys ya. Dialog pertama. John, I'm having a birthday celebration tomorrow night. Would you like to come? Jack, really? I'd love to. What time? John, about 7 o'clock. Jack, should I bring some food? John, no, that's fine. There'll be plenty of food. Great, looking forward to seeing you tomorrow. John, see you, bye. Nah, di sini ungkapan mengundangnya itu ada di kalimat pertama, di baris pertama yang I'm having a birthday celebration tomorrow night. Would you like to come? Di kata would you like to come itu merupakan invitation, expressing invitation. Oke, bisa dimengerti? Oke, dan kedua kita harus cari reaksi dari orang yang diundang. Di sini yang diundang sudah pasti Jack. Jack memberikan tanggapan untuk setuju pergi ke hari ulang tahun John. Itu dibuktikan pada kalimat Great, looking forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bagus sekali. Aku tidak sabar untuk bertemu denganmu besok. Jadi di sini Jack setuju untuk pergi ke birthday partinya si John. Oke, lanjut ke dialog kedua. Afif is busy doing his homework. Sheila, his friend, asked him to come to her party. Afif sedang sibuk mengerjakan PR-nya. Sheila, yang dimana itu adalah teman Afif, mengajak Afif untuk pergi ke pestanya. Sheila, hello, this is Sheila. May I speak to Afif? Afif, this is Afif speaking. Oh, hi Afif. I wonder if you like to come to my house right now. We're having a great party. I don't think I can. I'm doing my homework. My parents won't let me out before I finish my homework. That's alright. I hope you enjoy your party. Bye. Bye. Di sini kalimat expressing invitation-nya ditunjukkan pada dialog ketiga, percakapan Sheila yang ketiga. Oh, hi Afif. I wonder if you like to come to my house right now. We're having a great party. Aku berharap jika kamu bisa datang ke rumahku hari ini karena kita sedang memiliki pesta yang sangat meriah. Dan respons Afif, I don't think I can. I'm doing my homework. My parents won't let me out before I finish my homework. Aku rasa aku nggak bisa. Aku harus mengerjakan PR-ku dan orang tuaku tidak akan membiarkan kuku pergi sebelum aku menyelesaikan PR-ku. Jadi di sini yang mengundang itu Sheila dan yang diundang Afif. Dan Afif menyatakan tidak bisa datang ke pestanya. Begitu. Lanjut. Dialog yang ketiga. Ludi invites Maya to go to a movie. Hi Maya, there will be a great film tonight. It's about vampire. Would you like to go to the movie with me? Yes, I'd like the film very much. When will you pick me up? I'll pick you at 7 o'clock. Be ready, okay? Alright. Di sini Ludi mengundang Maya untuk pergi menonton film tentang vampir bersama-sama. Bisa dilihat dari ungkapan Ludi yang bilang bahwa would you like to go to the movie with me? Nah, itu sudah termasuk expressing invitation. Siap. Dan dibalas dengan Maya, when will you pick me up? Kapan kamu jemput aku gitu. Jadi di situ bisa dilihat kalau Maya setuju untuk pergi bersama Ludi melihat film vampir. Oke, sepertinya ini yang dialog yang terakhir. Daisy is happily when Wendy come to ask her to watch Westlife concert. Daisy, I have a dream, a song to sing. Wendy, hi Daisy, it must be Westlife song. 100 for you. I plan to watch Westlife concert tonight. Why don't you join me? Wow, that's great idea. May I ask Rian and Hidir too? Sure, let's ask them. Hi Rian and Hidir, would you like to join us to watch Westlife concert tonight? I'd love to. When will you pick me up? When you pick me up? At 7 p.m. How about you, Hidir? Thank you for asking me, but I'm afraid I can't go with you. Why don't miss this chance? I prefer watching other concert. Whose concert? I want to know. Ayu Ting Ting concert? Alamat palsu? Ting Ting they are love and live. Jadi di sini yang mengawali ajakan itu si Daisy. Dia bernyanyi lagu Westlife dan mengajak Wendy untuk pergi ke konser Westlife bersama dengan Daisy. Dan Wendy menyetujui itu dengan ungkapan that's a great idea. Lalu Wendy mengundang dua temannya lagi yaitu Rian dan Hidir. Si Rian setuju untuk pergi bersama dengan ungkapan I'd love to. When you pick me up. Aku sangat bahagia banget. Kapan kamu jemput aku? Gitu. Jadi seperti itu. Dan si Hidir menolak ajakan mereka bertiga. Karena si Hidir punya agenda tersendiri yaitu menonton konser Ayu Ting Ting. Oke, jadi di sini Hidir mengungkapkannya dengan thank you for asking me, but I'm afraid I can go with you. Di situ bisa dilihat kalau Hidir menolak dan pergi ke konser Ayu Ting Ting. Jadi begitu guys ya. Oke, sepertinya sudah selesai. I think that's all that I can explain. So I'm sorry that if I make so many mistakes. So I hope all of you will stay healthy, stay safe. Don't forget to wear your mask if you go anywhere. So thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sadam Aditya reporting for duty.